Hello, welcome back. I just wanted to do a quick show and tell, really, of a quick design team project I'm doing for Sani Creates. It's just the last Christmas one before it all gets a bit busy. So I've done a load of Christmas cards and some little like money gift wallet things. So I'll just run through these for you. I'll just tie a little ribbon around it. Right, on the front there's a little side pocket. I've just put a little card in there that'll get written on, and then you open it up and I'm going to put money in there. So it's like either a huge big pocket or like 4 separate little pockets. Plus you've got this bit here, and same on the back, you've got that bit there, and then the back is another slot that you could put more money or more cards or whatever. So that's that, and I made that with just an A4 sheet of paper, and I'll see if I've got one around just to show you how I've done it. So I've done 2 there for the 2 of the grandchildren. Let's just find one. Right, I've got this. This is one of the freebies that you can find in the shop, in the coffee shop, and it's got a backing page on the back. So what I did was I folded it in half that way, opened it back up, and then folded it in half into the middle on both sides. Just making sure it will fold over. It's hard to see when it's all coloured. Right. And then because I can't make a proper fold on the edges, I've used my score board thingy and just do about 1.5 centimetres. Yeah, about 1.5 is good on both sides. Yep. So I'll just fold that in. Right. So the next thing I done was I folded the corners in. Again, making sure you've got room to fold. Do that on 4 sides. And that one, and then fold them in, both of them in. So you've got this way, and then if you turn it over and kind of bend it right where those corner bits are, it'll kind of naturally bend. And if you can see your middle line, just match it up. It's hard to see, but just judge it. And the same on the other side, just where it naturally bends at that point. And then match it up. And then all you do is tuck that in, or that way, whichever way you want. And then you're already got your crease, so you literally just fold it over. And it's better if you don't have any kind of matching papers, because Like you see, you don't get what you're looking for. But that's how you do it. So then you've got that front tuck or pocket if you want to use it in your journal. Then you've got that inside one. You can glue all that down if you wanted. You've got that bit in there, but again, you can glue that down. You keep it down and then put something else over that. Oops. And then you've got these 4 bits or one whole big tuck thing. And you've got that pocket in there and that pocket at the back. So that was how I done that. And it gives you these little things. This is the other one. Just done them both the same. Little card. And I fussy cut that out of one of the pages to put in. And I used a backing paper, 2 backing papers. Same, that's the back. You put a little note or whatever you want in. Right, so that's the little wallets. Done. Little money wallets done. Put that in there. And then I carried on and done some Christmas cards. And this kit that I'm using is the pink Christmas, like that one. And you get loads of pages, loads. And that's one of the double spread pages now that you can fold over and put into your journal. But I just cut it in half and used it on there and put some die cuts on it. Just done that. Yeah, and I just stuck it onto some A4 card. And this one as well, just cut out some die cuts. And again, that was a page and I just cut it in half. Stuck it on. So that's what I've been up to lately. Because in the kit you get so many of your double page spreads that you can fold up and make journal pages. And then you have like this size. I think there's 4 of them together. And then you just cut them out, and you can be journaling cards or like that, Christmas cards. And then there's other bits and bobs that you can cut out, and tags and all the things. I'll link it down below if you're interested in doing a last minute project. And it didn't take me long. Once you know how to do the little wallet, it's pretty quick. Let's practice a couple. I practiced with those 2 first and then done them. That was it. So that was all I wanted to show you, just what I've been up to with the kit. And if I don't get on before Christmas, have a nice Christmas, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.